Hello friends, it is Zid School and today we are gonna see how to make an operating system in Scratch. An operating system is system software that manage computer hardware, software resources and provides common services for computer programs. So to start off, we need to rename the Scratch Cat sprite to logo. Then we need to delete the second costume. Next, we need to select the backdrop stage and draw a big black rectangle on top of it. Then we need to drag the Scratch Cat to the top or right here and replace this number with 0. Then we need to go to the code tab and place a when flag clicked and go to block. Then we need to create a new sprite, naming it loading. Then we need to make sure the circle is white, so we need to select the color white and hold shift and draw the circle. Next, you need to copy the circle and click the paste button 4 times. Then you need to place it just like I am doing. Then select it and click group the button. And you need to drag it to the center, and I am having a hard time doing it. Yes. Then we need to drag the loading sprite to the place you want to go and replace this number with 0 so that it is centered. Then you need to place a when flag clicked, set size to 50% and go to x0 and y negative 74. When we test it, it will be exactly what we want. Then you want to make sure this rotates, so we need to put a repeat block and place a pick random block in the input box, and you need to pick random 250 to 500. Then we need to go and place turn right 7 degrees. Then after that we need to broadcast a message, and you need to create a message and it is called done loading. Yeah, now let's test it out. As you can see, it is rotating. But nothing happens after this. So when I receive done loading, change color effect by 25, and we need to change the ghost effect by 5. but it will just change the ghost effect. It will not completely ghost it. So we need to put repeat 20, and then we need to right click on this and duplicate it. Then we need to duplicate it into the Scratch Catch sprite. And as you can see, it will be here. And now let's test it out. And as you can see, it faded out. Now it's time to create a login screen for our operating system. So we need to go to the backdrop sprite and create a new backdrop. You can choose any color for your login screen, but I am going to paint this kind of blue. Okay, so we need to go to the code tab and place a when flag clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And when I receive done loading, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Then we need to make the backdrop ask about our password. So we need to keep and ask what's your name and wait. So we need to replace this what's your name with login. Then we need to make sure there's a correct answer. So we need to take an if else block and take an equals block, equal block. Then we need to take an answer block into the first input box, and in the second box you need to type any password. For example, I am writing this code. Okay, let's leave the first gap for now, and we need to place switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Okay, so you need to go back to the backdrops and create a new backdrop and naming it desktop. And you can go with any color, but I will go with sky blue. And you need to go back to the code and take a switch backdrop to desktop. Now let's testing time. It's testing time. Okay, so the login prompt came. So I am gonna type this code. As you can see, it worked. So now let me try to type a wrong password. Okay, I will type random numbers. As you can see, the screen went black. And if you get the same result as I did, good job. You passed part 1. And if you found this video helpful, Please share, like and subscribe to my channel.